So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and then grab a brush right here. And then let me just go and scroll up and then resize up my brush that I have right here. And let me just go around and select out a color as well and then draw around. So let's say what I want to do is I want to draw in this exact spot right here. Let's say, for example, what I want to do is overlay out and paint on the same area where the drawing is there. So in order to do that, you can go around and click and hold the brush right here. And then here you can see stencil brush is an option. So once you go around and do this, you can go around and then scroll down, and over here you can see that there is an option right here just like this. So you can use the overlay brush mode right here. So once you do that, what happens is that as I draw around, you can see that it only goes around. You can draw it out normally right here, but it will only be seen in the areas where there is already a drawing right here, as you can see. So this is a very useful tool if you want to actually, let's say, for example, add in some shadows right here and so forth. So let's say, for example, I'm going to take this brush and you can go around and add in something like shadows right here, just like this. And similarly, apart from overlay, you can also see that there's repaint brush right here, which allows you to repaint out right here, not just overlay but repaint. So if you want to completely change up the colors itself, then you can go around and select it right here, and then you can go around and repaint it, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with overlay and the repaint brush inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.